Hey guys. Hey guys. I'm gonna show you something cool. Did you know you can actually tune Franklin's vehicle? Your own personal vehicle. So yeah. You can actually tune Franklin's vehicle, your personal vehicle. So what I did is, let's stop the vehicle. So hey, hold this in. It's got quadruple shotgun exhausts, 4 exhausts. Blacked out car, neon lights, blacked out. There's me lime green Lamborghini Murcielago. There's me super bike, me blacked out engine, me blacked out car Franklin's. So Franklin, as you get out, here's what we did. Here's the Lamborghini, super bike. There's Franklin Clinton. Yeah, my Lamborghini looks class. Aye, my house looks absolutely beautiful about her. Oh, about her, that is. That's my vehicle. So yeah, nice little spoiler on there. I'll come and show you the spoiler. Nice spoiler. Peace out guys, bye.